Have you ever pondered the art of crafting your own loaf of bread at home? Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through your kitchen, the warm, crusty exterior giving way to soft, fluffy goodness. Today, we unravel the mysteries of bread making, breaking it down into simple, digestible steps. Bread, a staple in many diets worldwide, may seem daunting to create from scratch. But fear not, it's a process as rewarding as it is delicious. The essential ingredients are straightforward: flour, water, yeast, and salt. Yet the magic lies in the method. Begin with selecting your flour. All-purpose flour offers a reliable, versatile option for beginners. However, bread flour, with its higher protein content, can give your loaf a more robust structure. The choice is yours, based on your preferred bread texture. Next, activate the yeast. This crucial ingredient is the heart of your bread, responsible for its rise. Combine lukewarm water with a small amount of sugar, then add your yeast. The sugar acts as food for the yeast, helping it to bloom. Wait for around 15 minutes or until you see a frothy layer on top, signaling that the yeast is ready. Now, it's time for mixing. Combine your flour and salt in a large bowl, creating a well in the center. Pour your activated yeast into the well, then gradually incorporate the flour from the sides. You're aiming for a dough that's slightly sticky but not too wet. Once your dough is formed, kneading commences. This step develops the gluten in your bread, leading to a better rise and texture. Knead your dough for about 10 minutes or until it's smooth and elastic. Then comes the first proofing. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rest. This is when the yeast works its magic, causing the dough to double in size. This process usually takes 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. After the first rise, punch down the dough to remove any large air bubbles, then shape it into your desired form. Place it on a baking sheet or in a loaf pan for the second proofing. This second rise gives the bread its final shape and size. Preheat your oven while the bread is proofing, usually to around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the dough has risen, it's time for baking. The baking time will vary depending on your oven and the size of your loaf, but a typical loaf usually requires about 30 minutes. Once finished, remove your bread from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack. The waiting is the hardest part, but it's essential for the bread's texture and flavor to fully develop. In summary, bread making is an art of patience and precision. From selecting your flour to activating the yeast, mixing, kneading, proofing, and finally baking, each step is crucial to the final product. But with practice and passion, anyone can master the art of homemade bread. So go ahead, embrace the process, and soon you'll be basking in the glory of your homemade, fresh out of the oven loaf. The joy of bread making is waiting for you.